Ginawa ko to. Hindi naman masyadong okay naman siya. Kaya masaya ako na nakagawa ko ng banana bread. So, now I have to try. Hi guys, it's me again, Cheryl, and welcome back to my cooking tutorial. So for today's video, I'm going to try how to make banana bread loaf, because most of the time I just cook the banana cake, which is easy, but for today when I check it, I couldn't find any cake flour. Instead, I only had a plain flour, which is we usually use it to make bread. So this time I'm gonna try to make the bread banana loaf. So I just want to try it, and I don't know if it's gonna be perfect or not, but I'm just gonna try it, and I don't know if it will be good or not, but trying makes things perfect. So let's go. For the ingredients of my banana bread loaf, I have 210 grams of plain flour, 2 pieces of banana, and it's 75 grams of unsalted butter. I have 8 grams of baking powder. I have supposed to be 134 grams of sugar, but for me it's gonna be so sweet, so I only make 80 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, and 3 grams of salt. So now we can start preparing for our banana bread loaf. I have 2 pieces of banana in here, and you just have to smash it. Just smash the 2 pieces of banana. Large bowl, mix together the unsalted butter and sugar, and you can use an electric mixer or a West attachment, but since we had an electric mixer, so I just use it. So you mix the unsalted butter and the sugar until it's smooth, and then you can add the eggs and blend it for 2 minutes, and then you can add the baking powder and the salt and mix it again hanggang sa mag-soft po siya. Add the banana and then blend again, so it will look so creamy and sticky. You can scrape the side para ma-mix po siya ng maayos, and then you can add the baking powder bit by bit and mix it thoroughly for at least 10 minutes. So I'm actually mixing this for almost 15 minutes until you can make a smooth creamy dough. So you just have to continue blending until the dough is already soft and no more bubble. And ready na ang ating dough, so you just have to set aside while you put some butter on the greasing baking pan para hindi po siya nagsisticky pag binibake niyo po siya. So you can use some oil, but I use the butter, and I just have to put some butter on the greasing baking pan. It's ready. You just have to transfer the mixture onto the greasing baking pan. So after putting the mixed dough on the baking pan, you just have to tap it to avoid making bubbles inside para mas smooth siya pag naluto. So now preheat oven on 170 degrees for 12 minutes. So we bake it for 40 minutes. So I set a timer 40 minutes. Now I just put it in. So And then we just wait. There it is. So after 40 minutes, I checked the bread and that smells so good. So I just have to try. I poke on a tester. I use the chopstick though, but it's clean. So to check, make sure that there's no more sticky stuff inside that sticks on the chopstick. When there's no more sticky stuff, then it's cooked. So you can take it out and cool down. Here's now my banana bread loaf. It's my very first time to bake a bread because I usually used to bake cake, but sad to say I don't have the cake flour, so I switched to bake this one. It's my very first time. So guys, ito na yung banana bread loaf ko. It's not bad for the first time. Ito po siya. First time kong gumawa nito. Kaya tinatry ko talaga. But it's okay for me kung hindi naman talaga siya perfecto. But there's no harm in trying. I just try. Kasi ito lang yung available na flour dito sa bahay. So, smells so good. Hi guys! So, tapos na, naluto na yung aking banana bread loaf na first time kong gumawa. And ito siya. Tadaan! It's not as bad as for the first time. Hindi naman masyadong okay naman siya. Kaya masaya ako na nakagawa ko ng banana bread. So, now I have to try it. Parang banana cake naman siya, pero bread. And the only thing I like it's not so sweet. Kasi kung pinalo ko yung measurement ng sugar, sobrang sweet siya, which is not good for a baby. Hindi talaga magandang pakainin yung bata ng sobrang sweet. Kain tayo! Thank you for watching and I hope you like my video. So, I'll see you in my next vlog.